Mama, if wash day takes forever and ends in tears and leaves your little one's hair a tangled mess, this 3-step toddler wash routine will change everything. Let me show you how. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I always start my daughter's wash routine by saturating her hair with water, warm water. This makes cleansing and detangling so much easier later on. Next, I shampoo using a clarifying shampoo just to remove any buildup from her hair. I use a clarifying shampoo on my daughter's hair every 4 weeks. When I'm washing her hair, I always wash in sections so I can really focus on her scalp without creating unnecessary tangles. If you'd like a step-by-step plan on how to create an effective hair regimen for your little one, download my free guide. The link is in the description box. So after shampooing and then rinsing out the shampoo, I then apply a deep conditioner to her hair and gently detangle in sections. Trust me, mamas, it's less overwhelming for me and no pain or tears for her. So first I go in with my fingers. Then with the Denman D38 brush, which you know I love, working from the ends up. After detangling, I loosely plait her hair to keep it stretched and tangle free even while rinsing. Yes, you heard that right. I rinse it while it's still in the plaits. This is a little trick that makes moisturizing and styling so much quicker afterwards. I promise you, mama. Then I wrap her hair in a microfiber towel while I get her dressed. By then, her hair is damp and ready for moisturizing and styling.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Later.
Kiss. Like this.